In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to unlink your Epic Games account from Steam in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you connected the wrong account, want to switch to a different Steam profile, or just want better control over your linked accounts. I'll walk you through the full process so you can do it safely and avoid any confusion. If this tutorial helps you, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once the site loads, log into the Epic Games account that you want to disconnect from Steam. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before you continue, because unlinking the wrong one can be annoying to fix later. After you're logged in, go to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This will open a menu with several account options. From that menu, select Account. That will take you into your Epic Games account settings. On the left side of the account page, look for the section called Linked Accounts and click it. This is where Epic shows all the external services connected to your account, including console accounts and platforms like Steam. Now carefully scan the list of linked accounts and find Steam. Once you see the Steam icon, look just below it for the Unlink option. Click Unlink to begin the removal process. Epic Games will usually show a warning message explaining that unlinking may affect your access, saved data, or account connections depending on how the services are being used. Read those warning prompts carefully before you continue. This step is important because it helps you understand exactly what will happen when the accounts are disconnected. If you're sure you want to proceed, confirm the unlinking action. After you confirm, Epic Games will remove the connection between your Epic account and Steam. At that point, the unlinking process is complete, and your Steam account will no longer be tied to that Epic Games account. If you ever want to connect a different account in the future, you can usually do that later from the same linked accounts area, and that's it. You've successfully unlinked your Epic Games account from Steam. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.